Thanks for your kind words, guys.
Hey, you found me?
Hey, what's up, dude? Oh my God, brother, how you doing, man?
Bro, how you doing? I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing better
Dude,
now
it's
that I see you
crazy,
eating
bro.
steak.
I love this time zone, dude. I mean, I don't know what it is.
Bro, I told you not to come home until you have a
I
losing
might be
game.
here
You're
for a
gonna be
couple of
there
years,
for a
bro.
couple months.
That's great, dude. It's like it's so crazy because the
Bro,
time
you've
zone.
been trading
Dude, I follow the MIC process.
unbelievable,
The
bro.
time zone. The problem was this before living in California, man. You know how hard it is to wake up at 5 a.m. And by the time I wake up at 5 a.m., it's 8 a.m. your time, market time. I'm already. It's like half the day is
Yeah.
gone, right?
And bro, forget that. You've been doing it for a decade, bro.
I
A
can't do
decade
it
you've been waking
anymore.
up at that time.
I find myself happier in this time zone. Just like, dude, you imagine when you wake up, Alex, you waking up at what, like 6:30, 7 o'clock? That's like
Something
4 a.m.
that,
my
yeah.
time. No, that actually no, dude. Yeah, that's late. That's late, right? That's late now. That's late. I
Late.
am here,
Too
bro.
late.
I didn't realize how early pre-market opens. It opens at 3 a.m. New York time, bro. I'm seeing prints go up at 3.
Yeah.
I'm like,
4
what
a.m.,
the
yeah.
fuck? So you see my trades? I've already got like before anybody wakes up. I have a huge advantage by preparing hours ahead. I located my stuff, and
Yeah.
you saw my chart. It's just crazy. It's like,
Bro, you've been trading unbelievable in Asia,
and
bro.
so
Unbelievable.
it just shows that preparation, dude. And it's like, and I think we've been helping members a lot more because I see their charts kicking ass too. They're just doing phenomenal. So you want to talk about what we're doing the live event?
Yeah, so guys, April 25th, Bao and I are hosting another live trading event on Zoom. So this is for annual and lifetime members only. And pretty much we're going to start it with us making the watches together. We're going to show you how we find these stocks, how we make the plan, and then we're going to trade it live and, answer questions. So this is pretty much something we do every quarter for MIC members, every few months. But the next one coming up is going to be April 25, guys. April 25, which is a Tuesday. It's going to be for annual and lifetime members only. So you get to watch us trade live, and
How
you're going
can
to learn a
people do
lot
it?
from
Can
it.
they just watch the live? Just to watch that feed or what?
Yeah, I mean, look, guys, there's a couple things here, right? If you are an existing MIC member, you could reach out to Steven, you could reach out to Tosh, you could reach out to our moderators to see if you want to upgrade to annual or lifetime. And if you're curious about joining MIC, if you're curious about our process, you guys could go to myinvestingclub.com/webinar. But the reality is, guys, we're fucking, I mean, especially Bao. Bao's nailing all these freaking trades. Bao's doing really, 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 really well in this market. So, I mean, there's certain cycles that Bao excels in, which is pretty much every cycle. There's cycles that I excel in, but together, using our process and our strategy, no
Guys,
matter
there's
what,
so
we find
many different
opportunities in
type
the
of
market.
strategies that it covers every type of market condition. You see these guys on Twitter, you see these guys complaining, "Oh, the market's dead. I have nothing to trade, manipulation." Newsflash: there's always something to trade if you know what you're looking for. You don't have to trade everything that moves, guys. I just happen to be trading for 20 years, so I have a lot more tools in my toolbox than you do. That's all it is, Alex, right? And now Alex comes from towards 7, 8 years of trading now. And so your toolbox is growing as well. If you wait till you become 20 years like me, every little thing you're going to say, hey, that's a different set, that's a different set. So this is just part of being a non-complacent trader wanting to learn. Because I know how to long, I know how to short, I know how to trade in a dead market, I know how to trade in a bull market, a fair market, a pig market, a penguin market.
And also something else you should make note of that people should understand is you're not trading to make millions of dollars a day. You are making life-changing money trading for only a
You know what
couple
it is,
hours
man?
a
My
day.
lifestyle is pretty expensive. And I gotta admit, I guess I drink a lot, I eat a lot of good food. And so all I'm trying to do is, expensive is relative, right, guys? I mean, dude, if I can just maintain supplement my lifestyle, that's all my goal is. A lot of people, there's a lot of goals in life. Some people want to accumulate wealth. Of course you can do that trading. Trading and real estate are the number one wealth creators in the world, right? And so if you want to become a millionaire, duh, that's how I did it, that's how Alex did it, that's how all our members do it. Or you just want something in your income, be able to eat a steak every day. Make $100. We can totally teach you to do that. You can make $100 for the blueprint, for $1,000 begins with $100. So that's it. And so you guys, I think there's I don't want to say it, but I think the link is broken, Alex. I went there, and I think there's still that $99 shit. So you better, if you guys want to join monthly, this is the hack, guys. Do it before the web publishers take off the sale, right? So the sale is officially over, is it? Oh, we have one more day.
Yep. I mean, to be honest, guys, we ended it. But if you guys want to get access, just email us at tosh@myinvestingclub.com, and we will see.
Why do you want to run it so that you have the opportunity to watch Alex and I trade live? You saw all my charts every single day, guys.
Yep.
I mean, these charts, they look like they're photoshopped, but they're not.
No, you've been trading really well, Val. You've been trading really, really
fit
well.
my style. That's what it is, Alex. They're playing ping pong all day long. And that's what I like to do. I have to play ping pong and challenge trade, things like that.
And the thing is, about anyone could do this stuff, bro. Anyone, you are literally in Asia, bro, a million miles away with a 12-hour time difference. You are still trading and making money.
I mean, and I'll tell you guys, man, making one scalp, 1,000 shares, 10 cents, it's $100. Do you think you could do that on a $2 stock, guys? Yeah. That's a $2,000 equity. I made $100 over and over. You do it a couple of times, one time, $100. Go to work. $100 is life-changing money for most people. This meal is going to cost me a couple $100. You know, I mean, dude, I don't know how else to preach it, Alex. I mean, I think it's like I think after a while people don't believe us, but this is why we do these things, to let people know, like, and I want everybody to join, guys. Join for $99 so that you can see what you're, you know, maybe you're missing out, or you need a little tweak, and then see us trade live. That's our goal. So.
And at the end of the day, guys, we've been here we're coming up on a 5-year anniversary doing this. We've been doing it for 5 years. We're probably going to be doing it for another 5, 10, 15 years. And, you know, we have plenty of members making money. If our members were not making money, we would not be here. And
people say, oh, you guys suck. Well, if we suck, you would hear about it. We have thousands of people that would tell everybody, but you don't hear anybody complain. So knock on wood, that's because, you know what, man, we love what we do, guys. I mean, we're not bullshit. Alex, talk about your verified trades, too. I mean, this is not made-up bullshit. This is verified from the broker.
Yeah. I'll actually show them while we're here. I mean, I have the website up.
I was on a lot of
So I have all the tax statements, guys. So you could go on our website and see the IRS
They're going to make
tax
shit up like, hey, that's not the United States IRS. They always tell me.
Well, you know what, bro? Let them say what they want, bro. Let them say what they want, because at the end of the day, about
exactly, bro. All I gotta say is, I'm kind of feeling kind of sad, Alex. Is we haven't been trolled lately. What's going on?
Hey, I mean, look, we must be doing. I don't know what we're doing wrong, but if they're not coming after us,
you know, guys, this sale has been phenomenal. Not in the sense of financial, $900 is not going to do anything for us, right? It's the fact that I love seeing the people that were so skeptical on the sidelines for years. And I followed you for years, Alex. I followed you for years. I finally decided to pull the trigger because you had this sell, and now they're in it. Going, why didn't we join together? You know, so do it, guys. Yep. Join. Hit up Alex, hit up Tosh, hit up Steven. Don't hit up me. I'm on vacation.
Yeah, right. It's almost bedtime for Val.
So guys, we'll see you at NYC. The link is you know where to find us. If you can't find us, maybe trading's not for you. So.
Yeah, if you guys are new, you guys can go to myinvestingclub.com/webinar. If you guys want to ask any questions, email us at tosh@myinvestingclub.com. And live trading event April 25th, baby.
Current account that you're watching. That's all you need to do. All right, guys. Look, Alex, I miss you, brother.
Yep.
Great UFC.
Have a
great UFC.
Great day. Enjoy the steak. Enjoy the steak.
I'll see you back again. See you guys.